Okay, so hey guys, I'm pretty sure we all heard about how earthquake killed million lives on people on the news. Let's take an example, like the Nepal earthquake on April 2015. This 7.5 magnitude deadly earthquake killed over 8,000 people and injured more than 20,000 people, where a lot of people are made homeless that day. And there's a few more examples like the Haiti earthquake in 2010 and the Sichuan earthquake in 2008. But then again, what exactly is an earthquake? Many people tend to think that an earthquake is as simple as the shaking of Earth's surface. But there's a more detailed explanation to that. An earthquake happens when two blocks of the Earth suddenly slip past one another due to tension caused by a prolonged energy buildup. This sudden release of energy produces seismic waves that make the ground shake. For an example, take these two blocks, take these two pieces of foam as the blocks of Earth. At first, when they are moving smoothly, and then until one point where the pebbles or the big stones on the crust stuck. It creates a tension because the blocks are still consistently moving. So after a period of time, it actually breaks apart. This is where the earthquake happens. So the surface where they slip is called the fault plane, which is here. Earthquake-like seismic waves can also be created by underground explosions, such as explosions set off to break rock, to make tunnels, and the test of nuclear warheads. But the thing about the test of nuclear warheads is it creates a seismic wave so huge that it actually resembles a large earthquake. So it's banned in every country since then. Then again, earthquake comes in many forms, which is the foreshock, the main shock, and the aftershock. Sometimes there are smaller shocks that occur before and after a main earthquake, which is the foreshock and aftershock. But then sometimes a foreshocks are so big and that scientists can be sure that if it's a main shock or it's a smaller shock. Besides that, there's four types of earthquake, which is called there's four types of earthquake. The first one is called the convergent boundary. The convergent boundary is when a block go under the second block. The movement of the block creates the earthquake. So that is the first one. The second one is called the collision zones. The collision zone is when two blocks move in the same directions, not under or above the other. So they build up to make a mountain-like shape, which is also the cause of earthquake. And the third one is called the divergent boundary. A divergent boundary is when two plates they split apart, that cause the earthquake. And the last one is called a transform fault. A transform fault is when two plates they move front and backwards, which creates the friction that creates earthquake. So basically that's the basics about earthquake. I hope you guys understand, and thanks for listening.